So me and Javon back old school, man, with the iPhone because I can't find my SD card for my camera. I don't know what I did with it. But we going to meet up with some supercars, a couple GTRs, a couple Lambos, a couple other Hellcats, and I think our R8 is supposed to be there too. So we gonna see how we gonna get there. I hate the fact that I don't got my camera. We off the iPhone right now, but we gotta do what we gotta do, baby. So I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can. I know we gonna do runs for sure. They've been waiting all season to do runs. So I'm gonna see y'all when we get there, y'all. My God, that car sounded so good. Uh-oh, look at the police. Police.
Where?
Right there. He waiting at the light. All right, so we made it. My Hellcat, Shaq Claren, UGR Lambo.
Oh, I know now. I'm like,
yeah, y'all see what's going on. What's up, buddy? There it is. Got to wrap it up. See what else is going on. Oh, they got a GTR here, NSX, pulled up, GTR, couple bikes, X5M right here. Hey, y'all see the lineup, man? Stop playing with us. Y'all see the lineup: Lambo, Charger, R8, McLaren, X5M. Come on, man. Y'all see the lineup: Lambo, UGR Lambo, baby, Acura, GTR. You're not playing no games.
Go! Yes, go!
We going. Look, my son. Hey. Appreciate it, fellas.
Yo! What?
I gotta get you in the video. You be too hyped.
New Lambo.
UGR Lambo, yeah, Papa. Yo, this Lamborghini is so fast, bro. Oh my God. Alright, we caught up to him, Papa. He right there. He about to take off on us again, though. Bro, when I tell y'all this car is fast, this fucking car is fast, bro. Oh my God. Oh, my car sounds so fucking good over here. Oh my God. Yo, this shit sounds so mean, bro. Sound good, right, Papa? Want me to rev it? Oh, I revved it too high.
Daddy, what Lambo did it?
I think the Lambo still, he 2 cars in front of us, Papa. I gotta text Rocco, let him know we over here. Yep, Lambo right there. Typical location for these kind of cars. Everybody need a gas. Everybody need a gas, bro. This shit is fucking epic, bro. Look at this, bro. We turning up, son. Yo, they going so crazy right now, bro. Javon, you excited? Yo, I swear to God, this lineup of cars is so crazy to me, bro. We literally got one of everything, bro. American, we got Italian. Yeah, y'all hear them going down the street? Hold on. I'm trying my hardest to drive and hold this camera because I ain't got my GoPro. Woo! White Lambo. Y'all thought the Hellcat couldn't turn? Hold on. We can turn too with the Lambos. You still looking? Looking at the cars? They kicking us out already. Oh, that's trash. They kicking us out. We gotta head out, people, because the police just kicked us out, so we gotta go. Go ahead, get in your car seat. See if we can make it now. Oh my God, you're not serious, bro. Bro! We got kicked out, so we just heading back pretty much to the city now. Yeah, I don't know where we going now, but because we got kicked out of that last gas station. The police officer asked the owner if he wanted us to leave. He said no, and they still asked us to leave, which didn't make any sense, but whatever. We're not gonna fight with the officers. We cool. We left respectfully. So it is what it is. My boy brought the scat pack out. Damn, that motherfucker. Ooh! Joint sounding crazy, bro. Wait, he just spanked the Lambo though? No way. Let me slow down a little bit because I hear mad rocks kicking up. You having fun, Javon? So we had the last meet out spot. Everybody going home. Let out. Lambo just left. UGR Lambo's about to leave. We going home. So it was a long night. I tried to get as much footage as possible for y'all, but I had my phone. Oh my God, this car sounds ridiculous. I have to find my SD card from my camera because I don't know what I did with it. So trying to hold my phone and keep up with them is, bro.
You know where that car going?
Who, Paul? I don't know where Paul's going, Papa. Everybody going home though. You want McDonald's, right? All right, I'm gonna get McDonald's for you.
Why the McDonald's was behind that store? Why do you have
You want a Happy Meal?
yeah.
All right. A what one?
A changed Happy Meal.
You want a change Happy Meal?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get you a change Happy Meal. But I tried hard as possible for y'all to get as much footage as I could with the phone. Bro, the way we were cutting in and out, bro, I'm telling y'all, I could not hold my phone and keep up with them. So the footage I got is what I got. Hopefully I enjoyed the video. Some crazy cars, 2 Lambos, fully built GTR, upgraded turbos. That joint was crazy. He flew by me, literally left me standing still, bro. The twin turbo UGR Huracan was there, crazy fast, bro. My guy DL1 at least crazy fast. I gotta get my tires put on. My tires are in the shed. That video probably will be coming next. Javon, you had a great time, right? You had a good time?
Yeah.
All right, I thought I knew so. The whole time he just screaming, "Go faster, go faster, go fast!" Like, bro, like when this car gets faster, I might not be able to let him get in the car because he just gonna keep telling me the speed. But we're gonna get your food real quick, okay? How you doing? Can I get a you want chicken nuggets, right, Papa? Can I get a 6-piece chicken nugget Happy Meal? You want barbecue? Sweet and sour. And then let me get the apple juice. You want extra fries or apples? Extra fries. So yeah, Javon had a great time. I had a great time. It was literally a last minute meetup, bro. Like 5 o'clock, he called me like, "Yo, what you doing at 6?" All right, we getting some cars together, and it was dope, bro. We put up to the mall. Y'all seen the scene at the mall. The mall was crazy. I mean, we had regular cars pulling up, taking videos, taking pictures. It was crazy. Like, it's cool, man, when you inspire other people, and you know other people just like taking in that energy of everything y'all doing. It was just dope, bro. It was just crazy. But stay tuned for the next couple videos because we got some mods going in, right, Papa? We got mods. We got dual fuel pump going in. We got 1200cc injectors going in, 285 upper pulley. So that should give us about 780 to 850 wheel, depending if we do 93 or E85. Honestly might just go straight to E85 because these dudes, man, like I'm gonna need straight E85. But that's the end of this video, man. We gonna see y'all in the next video, hopefully. Most of the time I'm gonna start bringing him with me because he is entertainment, bro. Like straight entertainment. So that's it. We're gonna see y'all in the next video, man. Say bye. Appreciate y'all for watching. Hope y'all liked the video. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, man. Peace.